Acumatica Payroll connects seamlessly to all parts of the application to streamline payroll processing for small and mid-sized companies across industries. Automate payroll activities for timely and accurate employee paychecks with insights into company tax and benefit obligations. Comply with U.S. and Canadian payroll regulations, and capture time via mobile devices with employee self-service dashboards and actionable insights for finance leaders and executives for every payroll run. Quickly add employees and manage employee payroll settings such as exemptions, union memberships, tax codes, and hourly or salary pay rates. Empower remote workers with mobile time entry and supervisor approvals on iOS or Android devices and desktop browsers. Schedule payroll runs with notifications to identify time entry inconsistencies. Rest easy with automated tax updates and streamlined vendor liability invoices for deductions and benefits. Automate bank transactions to move funds for payroll runs with EFT direct deposit or paper check printing, and allow employees to download pay stubs from a secure portal. Acumatica Payroll includes industry-specific features for construction, distribution, retail, manufacturing, agriculture, professional services, and other industries. Quickly create employee and employer tax forms and stay on top of payroll issues with secured, role-based dashboards. Drill down to source transactions and build tailored reports. Save time and reduce risk with Acumatica's configurable and robust payroll features. Use system configuration options and default settings to expedite employee onboarding with industry payroll features, flexible work calendars, and benefits management. Capture time and process approvals on Apple or Android mobile devices. Use automation schedules to create payments, process payroll documents, and create payroll liabilities in accounting. Use QuickPay to expedite payroll for salaried employees. Easily create required U.S. and Canadian payroll forms, reports, and insightful role-based dashboards. File payroll taxes electronically and use Atrix to produce W-2 statements and certified payroll reports. Acumatica's native payroll features connect seamlessly to all parts of the application, including construction, manufacturing, financials, project accounting, and sales order modules, as well as marketplace apps for human resources and payroll services. Acumatica's industry-leading cloud platform is accessible anytime, anywhere, on any device, with role-based security and robust configuration, reporting, and automation tools. Acumatica Payroll is designed for your industry. Capture time from the shop floor and manage manufacturing union dues, piece rate pay, and shift differentials. Construction features include prevailing wages, certified payroll, union wages, work location overtime requirements, crew time entry, and project integration. Simplify retail employee setup for seasonal or part-time staff. Empower distribution staff with mobile time entry. Connect time and employee labor costs for professional service project activities. Flexibility and mobility make Acumatica Payroll a perfect fit for agriculture, healthcare, nonprofit, telecommunications, and other industries. Robust payroll dashboards, reports, and generic inquiries provide transparency for employees and financial executives. Thrill employees with self-service access to paychecks, summary income, deductions, hours, and PTO details from secured dashboards and mobile devices. Arm payroll managers with real-time insights into missing or errant time cards and payroll run details with drill downs into transactions such as earnings, deductions, benefits, labor summaries by project, and hours worked by employee class. Owners, presidents, and chief executives keep tabs on operations with insights into headcount and labor costs, summarized by department, and earnings summarized by project and category. Easily create new time cards via mobile devices. You can associate time with projects and tasks with notes. You can even use voice to text to enter comments from the phone. Supervisors receive mobile notification for time cards that require their approval. They can quickly review details and either approve or reject time cards. Acumatica simplifies payroll processing and compliance for small and mid-sized businesses. Leverage default values, automation schedules, and business events to shorten payroll cycles. Empower employees with mobile time entry and secure payroll dashboards. Leverage industry and government features to manage payroll compliance regulations. Enter data once for payroll processing, financial reporting, and project accounting. Keep your finger on the pulse of your workforce, time cards, payroll activities, and liabilities payments with role-based dashboards, robust generic inquiries, tailored reports, and notifications. Add the Workforce Go application for human resource management and advanced payroll features. Companies can also easily connect to payroll service providers like ADP. Additional applications are available through the extensive Acumatica marketplace.